The overall goal of the following techniques is to train beginning researchers to work with Streptomyces and other related species in the university teaching laboratory and high school classroom settings.
Phenotypic observation is important for the many researchers entering the field of Streptomyces research. This video describes methods for bacterial propagation, storage, and visual and microscopic examination.
The phenotyping methods described here use Streptomyces silicolor as a model. However, the methods are applicable to all members of the large genus as well as closely related actinomycetes.
The main advantage of these techniques is that they are designed to be accessible to novice researchers in a high school classroom or undergraduate teaching laboratory, as well as experienced laboratory personnel.
After watching this video and reading the accompanying protocol, new researchers should be able to manipulate their Streptomyces strains, store them properly, and begin visual characterization experiments.
Demonstrating the procedures will be Garrett Kandell and Sean Kirk, undergraduate research students from my laboratory at Otterbein University.
To begin, use a standard method, such as the quadrant streak method, demonstrated in Sanders 2012, to streak Streptomyces strains onto MS agar plates and culture into single colonies. Every 4 to 6 days, pick a single colony and restreak it onto a fresh plate. As colonies age, they become prone to random mutation. After carrying out mutagenesis according to the text protocol, take note of colony morphology for each mutant as compared to the wild-type parent strain. When characterizing new Streptomyces species, compare the new isolate